How to spot a police drone at night. When scanning the night sky, look for drones with steady, bright lights. Police drones usually have red or white navigation lights that don't blink like recreational drones. This steady glow helps operators maintain orientation, especially in low visibility conditions. So if you see a small flying object with consistent light, it could be a police drone keeping watch. Another way to detect a police drone is by listening carefully. These drones often emit a steady, mechanical humming sound that is deeper and more constant than the rapid whirring of commercial drones. This sound can travel surprisingly far at night when the air is still. So, if you hear a low, steady buzz overhead, it might be a police drone. Police drones tend to move deliberately. They often hover in one spot or patrol slowly over a specific area. Unlike hobby drones that dart erratically or perform quick maneuvers, these drones have controlled, predictable flight paths. Watching their movement can give you clues they are law enforcement devices gathering surveillance. Many police drones are equipped with infrared cameras for night surveillance. These cameras emit a faint infrared glow that is invisible to the naked eye, but can be detected using night vision goggles or certain smartphone apps designed to pick up IR light. If you have access to this gear, you can spot drones that are otherwise hidden in the darkness. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.